Good morning, Mr. Crow. Yeah, you're a little late. Miss Crow ate all of these. Let me give you some. You know, there is one here. Another one here. Are you gonna get this one? It's a bit close. Yeah, I know. I can't really throw it away far if I'm filming at the same time. Don't want me. Je te parle en français, c'est ma voix habituelle. Ah, Madame Corbeau, te voici aussi. Okay, we're trying something new. Lots of small de-shelled peanuts. How is it working? That's all for today, though. Okay, I'm not looking. See, if I'm not looking, they grab it. They're really afraid of my eyes. That's how predators do. They're really looking at my eyes. I'm not looking at them. I have no problem grabbing it. You see, they're coming pretty close now. Like the peanuts are like 2 meters away, maybe. I love you, kids. You're not kids. You're adult crows, parents of a few generations of crows already. Okay, I'm gonna stop filming and just hang out with you a little bit.